Hi everyone, thank you for watching another one of my videos, and if this is your first time here, welcome. If you happen to follow me on Instagram, you will know that my wonderful husband made one of my many favorite dinners of his last night. We had shrimp and mahi tacos and they were incredible. But this was the aftermath, so I decided to bring you along with me while I got everything cleaned up, so let's get going.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing right, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic.
If you are not already subscribed to my channel, then please do so now. You can click the red button below. Also click the bell and choose all so you'll never miss an upload. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. It really helps my channel. I greatly appreciate it.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing right, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this?
Now that I have the dishwasher loaded, I'm going to hand wash a few things. I am using this roll-up dish rack. I've mentioned it a couple of times because I really love it. I will link it below. I highly recommend this if you don't want a dish rack on your counter all the time, or if you just have small messes like me and you just need to put a couple of things on there to dry overnight or before you hand dry them.
With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing right, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. But better let myself give in to love.
Do you guys have certain chores in your house that you always do? I'm curious because my husband is wonderful. He cooks most of our meals and he'll also help me clean up, but he's not quite ready to be on camera, which is totally fine. But I'm just curious how you guys run things in your household.
You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud. I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to wait.
Since I'm washing this pan, I just wanted to mention again that if you're in need of a great set of pots and pans, we got this Circulon 13-piece set from Costco. It is incredible, and like I said, my husband does the majority of the cooking. He has nothing but good things to say about them, so I highly recommend those if you're in need.
Getting into my brain. You're getting into my brain. You're getting into
I have to work most weekends, and this was one of them. So my husband had checked the mail, and we just lay it on the island for each other so we can sort through it. Both of these were for me, so I'm going to get those off the counter and get them in the shredder.
Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust, moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy.
Now on to one of my favorite things to do, as well as watch other people do, and that is scrub out the sink. It just is so satisfying. I have no explanation for it, but I just absolutely love it.
It feels like it never happened, maybe just a dream. Could it be my imagination running out of steam? All I know is every time I see you, I feel insecure. I'm unable to find the words, how can I be sure? I'm holding on when everything's gone. I've gotta be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough. Hiding away from everyone, I don't know where I'm coming from. I fail to see right in front of me. There's a way I know. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch.
We use one of those covers in our microwave, so we rarely have any huge messes, but my microwave did need to be wiped down, so I'm just using the Method Pink Grapefruit to take care of that. It smells really good and fresh, and as you all probably know by now, if you're a repeat, that I like to change up my cleaning products just to keep it fun.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times.
Now I'm going to wipe off the stove top. It just had a few splatters from when my husband made the shrimp, and I'm just showing you that I'm using the e-cloth. This is the one specific for your stove. It works really well. You just wet it and wring it out, and it's got an abrasive side and a regular side. So I'm just going to wipe it down with that and then dry it off with my kitchen towel.
I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's
I'm wondering, do you sit at your dining room table for dinner or most of your meals? We have an open floor plan, so we use ours all the time, but I know that formal dining is getting to be a thing of the past in a lot of households. So I'm just curious, do you veg out on the couch? Do you sit at your island or bar if you have one? Or do you use your table?
I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running into better times. Go, 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 throw my emotions out. Go, 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 running into better times. To better times.
If you're new here, these blue paper towels that I'm using are called shop towels. I highly recommend them if you want to save your regular paper towels, and I'll just alternate them with my microfibers sometimes if they're being washed, or if I just want to do one project and don't want to use a microfiber just for that. I got them in bulk at Costco. Well, actually my parents did, and I do know that they're on Amazon, so I'll link that in case you don't have a Costco membership.
For the count, I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control, but now I'm gone bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love is gone. Now I'm coming around, got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you, I'm gonna let you go. Let you go.
Sticking with the grapefruit theme, I decided to put some grapefruit essential oil in my sink drains. It makes them smell so good, so that's another tip if you've never tried that before.
Gonna stick it to you. Breaking free, finally. I paid my dues, now you play the blues. Bottom line, you're out of time. Now you're gonna learn what it's like to lose. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love is gone. Now I'm coming around.
I'm gonna finish up my cleaning with vacuuming. It wasn't bad enough where I needed to mop, so I'm just gonna take care of some of the things that fell on the floor while my husband was cooking and when I was cleaning off the countertops.
Let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Once we had it all, how could you let us fall? I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love is gone. Now I'm coming around.
I wanted to thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I know there's plenty of other things that you could be doing, so I definitely do not take it lightly, and I'm so grateful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and definitely click that red subscribe button. I would love to have you. Please take care of yourselves and your families. God bless you, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
No parachute, you know I'm dreaming about us too.